Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can you easily log in into Terabox account. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly download Terabox application from Google Play Store. So head toward Play Store, search for Terabox application. At the top, click on it and click on install. And shortly this application will now be installed in your device. So click on open. After that, in the first page you will see the option to agree with terms and condition. Then in the login page, choose any one of the option. Here I will go with continue with Google. Choose any one of the Gmail account and now it will ask you for the permission of backup and storage. So simply click on allow and toggle on the feature of access to manage all files. After that, as you can see, when you click on the next step, you will be in the home page of your Terabox account. Allow the notifications and then you're good to go. So that's it. That is how easily you can log in into your Terabox account. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.